So here's how to achieve perfectly even gathers always. Get some fishing twine thread and then place it directly under the middle of the presser foot and use the following machine settings: a zigzag stitch, the longest stitch length, the widest stitch length, and a loose sewing tension. And then start to sew carefully. The zigzag stitches would wrap thread around the twine, so the twine thread will be encased within the tunnel created by the zigzag stitches. When you are done sewing, pull the twine thread carefully, which will scrunch up the fabric, creating even gathers. This is very simple to do.